Alright, YouTubers, here we are again in downtown Toronto. We're on the Toronto Museum Railway with the little kids. Martina, Damon, Vince, Kira, we're all on this little train. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
There's the CN Tower. Beep, beep. Everybody get out of our way.
There's people on the CN Tower.
Oh yeah, look, they're doing the edge walk. You can see there's like 4 of them up there.
5.
Look up on top of the CN Tower.
There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Vince, you see them? Vince, look up. There's what, 5 of them up there?
Daddy, look. 6. Daddy.
6?
Daddy, look.
Yeah, the GO train.
That's the old style one.
That's a neat one.
We don't use it anymore though.
Here's the Rogers Center.
I feel like a buddy.
I think the Blue Jays took the lead with that Donaldson run. Here's the old steam engine.
Make this a longer video.
What, sweetie?
Make this a longer video.
Okay. Why do you say that?
I wish this train could probably move still a bit. Because there's 2 train tracks. I want to go on this video.
There's the old train station. There's the Steam Whistle Brewing Company. We're gonna go there right after. I need a beer.
Are they going to stop now?
There goes the train gates. Ding, 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 ding.
We went on that before.
Yeah, you can go on there and take pictures.
What's the CNR mean again?
What's that, CD?
What's the CNR mean? Daddy, there's the old carrier.
Yeah.
What's the CNR mean again?
Canadian Railway. National Railway.
I feel like they went for a walk by now. My ear!
What's that? Yeah, I know. Right? You see him in the balcony there.
Where?
He's on his phone in the balcony. Whoever lives right there.
Don't chase after this train. My favorite boy. I feel like I'm on the train track. We're not even on the train track.
Yes, we are.
Oh,
Have to be, otherwise we wouldn't be moving.
oh, yeah. See the train track. I see the train track. Why are we slowing down?
I think there's something on the tracks. She's got to get off. Yeah. Thank you.
What's that?
There's something on the tracks.
What?
I don't know, some dirt or debris.
Next year you can come on this.
I want to go on it again.
Imagine if it was this train instead of the train.
Imagine this train was bigger.
We are coming to the end.
Finally.
No.
How much did it cost to get on?
Like $8 for all three of us.
Is that a lot?
No.
Do you go again?
All right, that's the end of our train ride. See ya, YouTubers.
We can't get off now.
Bye.